You let me know when you're ready.
I got it. We're going. Gonna have some fun today. A little bit of science with Dr. Tom Spudich. He's gonna put that bottle inside that pumpkin with hot water in it, and we're gonna have ourselves a little bomb.
Ow. Oh man.
Wow!
Yeah.
Science win. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the aftermath over here. Well, that's what's left of her, and that's what's left of the bottle. Oh my goodness. There's her top.
One more time, we gotta get the.
Now
Now is the big kahuna.
we got Big Bertha here, right?
Holy cow.
Yeah, blew her out of here. So now we'll do the big boy.